Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, I'll show you how to upload files to DeepSeek AI step by step. Whether you want to upload a PDF document, a Word file, a text file, or an image, DeepSeek makes the process quick and simple. After uploading your file, you can ask DeepSeek to summarize it, explain it, answer questions about it, or analyze its contents. This tutorial is perfect for beginners, so let's get started. First, open the DeepSeek website and sign in to your account if you haven't already. Once you're on the main chat page, click the New Chat button to start a new conversation. Next, look for the attachment icon near the message box and click it. A file selection window will open. Browse your computer and choose the file you want to upload. DeepSeek supports common file types such as PDF, docx, TXT, and images. After selecting the file, click Open. Wait a few moments while the file uploads. Once the upload is complete, you'll see the file attached to your message. Now type a prompt such as "Summarize this file." You can also ask DeepSeek to explain the document, identify the key points, or answer questions based on the uploaded file. Click the Send button or press Enter. DeepSeek will process the uploaded file and generate a response based on your request. Once you're finished, you can start another conversation by clicking New Chat and upload a different file if needed. That's how easy it is to upload files to DeepSeek AI. Thank you for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.